Hey people, welcome back to my channel, and yes, you can see these gorgeous curls right here. So a few days back I did a poll on my Instagram asking you guys what video you want me to make next. So a lot of you voted for the curl one, and here it is. And those who voted for a cooking video, I will come up with an interesting video super soon, so don't you worry about that. But if you're not following me on Instagram, do it right now. My Instagram username is somewhere here on the screen. So go follow me right now because I'm much active on Instagram. So yeah. Alright, talking about the video, now for these natural looking curls, it's really easy to achieve and you're just gonna need 5 things for this. So the first thing you're gonna need is a white tooth comb. The next thing you're gonna need is a hair dye. Next up, you're gonna need obviously a hairspray because we're not using heat in this process. So to make your curls last super long, you will have to use a hairspray. And you're gonna need some U-pins just to secure everything in place. And the main thing or tool or whatever you can call it, you're gonna need is a bun maker. Yes, I got this one from Amazon, I think 2 years back, and I got it for 150 bucks, and now it's available for very cheap. I think you can also get it from Plug Factory. If I will be able to find the link from where I got it, I will definitely put it in the description box below. Rest, you can definitely search it on Amazon or in your local market or wherever. You can definitely get a bun maker like this, which has a pocket here. So yeah, so I have already shot the part where I am doing the curling and whatever stuff you are supposed to do. So without further ado, let's get into the clip.
First up, detangle your hair and make sure that there are no knots. For ponytail, flip all of your hair upside down and make a high ponytail as you would do for a normal bun. Pass the ends of the ponytail through the pocket of the bun maker and secure at the center. Leave a few inches of hair outside like so. Now start rolling your hair to form a bun. Make sure it's tight enough. Now secure it with some U-pins and you can use as many you need. And your donut bun is ready. Now leave it overnight and I'll see you next day. And the wait is over. Let's open the bun. Now that you've tied your hair, you'll have to open it and detangle the knots, but be gentle because obviously you don't want to spoil the curls. Now apply some hairspray and keep on scrunching upwards with your fingers, as this will help in even application of the product and maintain the shape of the curls. And you have these beautiful curls without any damage.
I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then give it a big thumbs up. Try this out at home and share your experiences in the comment section below because I would love to hear from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free. If you're watching it for the very first time, do check out rest of my videos. I will also leave the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it to get notified whenever I'll be posting a new video, and I will see you next time. Till then, take care and stay chic.